Welcome the our channel. Today we how to transfer product discovery UI into Airtable views. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your Airtable workspace. Create a new base or open an existing one. Identify the product discovery UI elements you want to transfer. Review the existing Airtable views available in your base. Navigate to the grid view in Airtable. Begin by creating a new table for your product discovery data. Name the table appropriately, such as Product Discovery. Add relevant fields based on your discovery UI elements. Common fields include name, category, status, and description. You can also include fields for images or links if necessary. Now, return to your product discovery UI. For each item, gather the necessary details that you will transfer. Start with the name of the product or feature. Copy the name into the corresponding Airtable field. Next, move on to the category. Paste or type the category into the designated field. Continue with the status of each product. Update the status field to reflect its current phase. Add descriptions that provide context or details about the features. If you have images, upload them directly to Airtable. Use the attachment field to include visuals for each item. Once you have transferred all items, review your table for accuracy. Make sure all entries are complete and correctly formatted. Now, visualize your data by creating different views. You might want to use Kanban view to track progress. Alternatively, you can set up a calendar view for deadlines. Customize filters to focus on specific categories or statuses. Adjust sorting options to prioritize your product features. Save each view with a clear and descriptive name. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.